Well, hello again. It is I, your very own Amaru, and this is episode 20 of season 12 of Food and the Single Guy. As I mentioned earlier in the previous episode, this is a double feature. Episode 19 and episode 20 will be uploaded simultaneously because I want to send you into the summer with a lot of inspiration and a lot of deliciousness and a lot of goodness. So, speaking of which, I'm going to share with you on this final episode of Food and the Single Guy a delicious little beverage. It is watermelon with cucumber and ginger. Nothing more, nothing less. It is crazy delicious and it is perfect for summer, okay? If you plan on having a barbecue or something, you have to make this drink. You're gonna love it. Now, I'm not gonna talk too much. I am simply going to drag your behind into the kitchen because this is gonna be done and over with in mere minutes. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so for this delicious little summer beverage, we're gonna use half a cucumber. I'm gonna use a nice amount of ginger. And, of course, the star of the beverage, the watermelon. And you can use as much watermelon as you desire. Make sure that there is enough watermelon-ginger ratio. Okay? You need to taste the ginger somewhere in the distance. So the ginger should never overpower your beverage. Now, next what we're going to do, we are going to peel the cucumber and we're going to remove the seeds. We are going to peel the watermelon and we're going to remove the flesh. And then we're going to blitz the cucumber, the watermelon, and the ginger into this nice, delicious beverage that I'm so ranting and raving about. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, to the blender, I've added my watermelon, which I will be blitzing first. To the watermelon, I'm also going to add some mineral water. Just like so. So now I'm gonna blitz the watermelon for about a couple of minutes. So next I'm gonna add the cucumber, just like so. And we're gonna give it another blitz. So now I'm gonna add the ginger. And next we're gonna give it a final blitz. Here we go. Now you can choose to strain this if you so desire, or you can drink it as is. I'm gonna strain mine today. Here we go. And with a spoon, we are going to pass the juice through this sieve. Now before I go ahead and dazzle you with the final presentation, let me give you a little tip, because what you can do with this pulp, you can put this in an ice tray and then freeze it, and then when it comes out of the freezer, you'll have delicious watermelon ice cubes, perfect for a hot summer day. Alright? So let me go ahead and do that. And then we shall talk final presentation business. Now speaking of which, how about this for a final presentation? Doesn't that look gorgeous? Baby, let me tell you, not only does it look gorgeous, it was gorgeous and it's very, very refreshing. And speaking of refreshing, have you seen those ice cubes that I mentioned earlier in the video? Honey, let me tell you, give these to your kids and they're gonna be in hog heaven. Alright? Now you guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm gonna send you into the summer, hopefully with a dose of inspiration, new recipes, new ideas. What do I serve my family tomorrow? That sort of thing. Don't forget to pick up your copy of my cookbook, Amaru Cooks, A Touch of Suriname Through Food and Anecdotes. It is a delicious little book. You're gonna love it. Now you guys, I'm gonna wish you a happy summer, a healthy summer, a safe summer. Stay away from crazy people. I always tell you, don't add crazy to the craziness. There are a lot of crazy ass people on this planet. Stay the heck away from them, okay? Now, I'm not going to be on the channel as such, not uploading episodes, maybe a short or maybe a vlog or something, or maybe I'll go live. But I too am going on my summer break and I will be back with Food and the Single Guy at season 13, yes. Probably in September. But in the meantime, if you're interested in keeping up with me, make sure to follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on TikTok, and we will speak. All right? Now, you guys, once again, thank you for all the love and support. I'm wishing you a happy summer, happy cooking, happy eating, and until we meet again, my friends, have a good one. Bye.